Upgrading your kitchen countertops with a high-capacity multi-use blending and food processing powerhouse without buying separate standalone appliances usually means transitioning to a versatile all-in-one culinary system. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System 1400 WP BN801 redefines multifunction food prep by combining robust professional motor power, intelligent automated programs, and 3 distinct vessel formats into a single, high-performance base. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its 1,400 peak watt motor base paired with intelligent Auto-iQ preset architecture. Instead of wrestling with manual pulse timings or guessing how long to blend tough ingredients, this system utilizes timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns specifically engineered to take the guesswork out of smoothies, frozen drinks, purees, and chopped mixtures. Performance and everyday versatility streamline meal prep across family breakfasts, weeknight dinners, and entertaining. The system effortlessly morphs to fit your recipe via 3 interchangeable vessels, a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, 64 ounces max liquid capacity, with stacked blades to pulverize ice in seconds, an 8-cup precision processor bowl equipped with dedicated chopping and dough blades to mix up to 2 pounds of pizza or bread dough, and 2 24-ounce single-serve cups with pro extractor blades and travel spout lids for grab-and-go nutrition. Day-to-day usability is supported by 5 distinct Auto-iQ programs alongside manual speed options, a clear digital countdown timer, and dishwasher-safe removable parts. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is a robust 1,400 watt multi-attachment system with an 18-inch height clearance and heavy-duty motor base, you will want to check your overhead cabinet clearance and allocate adequate storage space for the pitcher, processor bowl, and extra blade assemblies. Additionally, the high-powered blades are exceptionally sharp, requiring careful handling during washing. So, who is this really for? This multi-talented kitchen system is an absolute home run for busy families, fitness enthusiasts who love daily nutrient extraction smoothies, and home bakers who want a single footprint that can crush ice, chop vegetables, and knead dough. If you are looking for a compact, lightweight personal blender meant exclusively for a single morning protein shake or need a heavy commercial food processor with continuous feed slicing discs, a dedicated single-serve blender or specialized restaurant processor will better match your workflow. Is it worth the money? If you value a massive 1,400 peak watt motor, 3 versatile vessel configurations, pitcher, food processor, and travel cups, specialized dough and chopping blades, and automated one-touch Auto-iQ presets, it is a premier, cost-effective investment for total kitchen capability.